Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear Facebook search history. It's actually a pretty easy thing to do. So follow the steps I'm going to show you and don't skip any part of the video so you don't miss any step. You have to head over to your Facebook application first. Once you are there, just go to the search icon on the top right just beside the DM section. Once you are there, you'll find several options in here. So what you need to do is tap on See All on the top right. And here it shows all the history or all the search history that you have currently or permanently did on your Facebook. So go to searches and here tap on clear all. And the layout says this will remove your entire search history on every device. You can't undo it. So tap on clear all. And yeah, as you can see, the whole search history is deleted. So this is how you can just permanently delete your Facebook search history. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.